Skadetians. Salute all the Skadiers out there. This is a demonstration of the Selfie series by Hasbro. I actually tested this back last year in October of 2022. So I just decided to upload it since I never got around to ordering one because I was just going to order 3. You know, my Ghostbusters is my first choice. But then, you know, I want the G.I. Joe and Black Panther also.
3, 2,
so this is just an
1.
example of how
Slowly
it's
turn
done.
left to look over your shoulder.
You see, you do your face
Now,
scan.
turn back to the center.
Well, first you have to get the app.
Slowly
Download
turn
the
right
app,
to look over your other
create
shoulder.
an account, or you
Now,
can do it as a
turn
guest.
back to the center.
And you just face scan like you do on 2K and things like that. So you be the judge of how close it is to a person's face. Now, I'm sure it's a lot of videos out there, but you know, maybe this can give a perspective, you know, from a male, and with a male with my skin tone. I'm sure there's many out there, but here's mine. I should have did it when they released it, but you know, real life is in the way, and I was like, I'll get around to it. So I'm finally, you know, just doing a video. Yeah, see, these pictures look more accurate than what the picture shows the figure would be. But, you know, you be the judge. This is just my experience here for all you Skadiers out there and all you Ghostbusters and G.I. Joe lovers, you know, and Black Panther lovers. You know, I'm Ghostbusters for real. I'm Ghostbusters for real. Like, I'm really Ghostbusters for real. R.I.P. Ray Parker Jr. You dig? Shout out Bill Murray, Chicago out there. You dig? But yes, that's how the figure would look there. You know, like I say, you can tell me how accurate was yours. You know, I was in a pretty well-lit room. Maybe I should have a dimmer light, more light. I don't know. Salute the Ghostbusters. Salute Hasbro. Since forever, you dig. Like, it could be better, but I accept it. Like, I can dig it. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah. And shout out whoever was in the company to pass that information along, to invest in any portion of Death Row's catalog at any point in time. You did. You just got to love Hasbro since forever, man. Yeah, y'all have a lovely one. Skadita World, Chico. Church.